Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem when I'm open my Roblox and go to setting option, then showing here to this problem. Now I'm provide how you can solve this easily. So follow my all process very carefully. Go back. First of all, you need to open your phone settings. Scroll down. Click onto app management, app list, and first of all find your Roblox. Okay, click onto Roblox. Click onto first option, storage uses. Click onto clear data. Okay, go back. Click onto force stop and go back. Go to your Play Store. Go to search option, search set to Roblox. And then click on to play. Trying to open Roblox. First of all, sign in again. Click on to more option. Settings. Security. Okay, look here, now successfully solved this problem. So I hope you can follow my whole process very carefully, then you can gain this success. So that's it, that's how you can do it.